Hi there, this is Christy. I'm about to walk, but I just finished a PDF and it's 10 ways that you can use AI to help you list digital downloadable products. And the reason I love digital downloadable products versus selling t-shirts and ornaments on Etsy, which I have done, all of the above, um, I don't have to worry about tariffs. I don't have to worry about shipping. I don't have to worry about too much customer service, really, because an instant downloadable PDF is like a no-brainer, and I love it. Okay, so if you've ever thought about like writing an ebook, it's never been easier ever in the history of time to write an ebook, because you can use ChatGPT to write the ebook for you, and then you can take it like as a rough draft, and then what I do is I go back in and I put my own personality in there. Like I'll take a paragraph that sounds like an encyclopedia and I'll put my own spin on it, and I tell how I use it. That's the other thing. What you're going to see in there is everything that I've done, most of it, most of what you see in this PDF. And my goal is actually to sell 1,000 of these at $7. That's my personal challenge to myself. And as soon as I emailed it to my list today, I made the first sale. So I'm like, okay, one down, 999 to go. And if you get this PDF from me, my thank you will be to send you a free printable. So all you have to do is copy the email at the bottom of the PDF and say, I bought one. And I'll send you a free digital download that you can sell on Etsy. You can sell it on your own shop. You can sell it on a free PayHip shop. You can sell it on Stan Store. You can sell it wherever. And I'm going to pick out one that has been selling for me to give you like an unfair advantage. Okay, to give you an advantage. It's not unfair, it's an advantage that you need. Because when you're first starting out online, you don't know what to do, I remember. And I talk about in the PDF, Etsy is great. It's a great place to start. And then when you get more familiar with how to upload a digital product, then you should go beyond Etsy. You should go to another, like your own shop platform. I use Shopify, and the reason I do is because, number one, when somebody comes to my shop, I have zero competition. On Etsy, you have thousands of other listings to compete with. On your own shop, like Shopify, it's just you. All you might also like at the bottom are all your products. So you have a greater opportunity for that person to purchase more of your products potentially. Okay. The advantage of Etsy is it's already got buyers. It's like a mall. It's like an online mall. People go there. Yeah, a lot of people look, but a lot of people buy. I buy there a lot. And that's the advantage of Etsy over your own shop. And you could do both. I have an Etsy shop, but I mostly concentrate on Shopify. And the reason being, once you get a little further down the road, you realize that two things. The riches are in the niches, meaning specific things that people are looking for to solve a problem, like a ADHD planner, like a busy mom's grocery list. Those kind of things that solve a problem are winners, okay? And those sell. The other thing you're going to realize is you need a subscriber list. And people told me that, like, when I started online back in 2011, people said, build your subscriber list. And it was so boring, but they were so right. Because once you have a list of people that you know are interested in digital downloadable ebooks, courses, printables, planners, that kind of thing, then every day you can send them an email, or once a week, whatever your preference. I send out a daily email to my subscriber list and tell them about something that is new of mine or as an affiliate for someone else every single day, almost every day. And do people unsubscribe? Sure, they do. Sure, but that's okay. The people that that are attracted to you and your style, they'll stay with you for years. They really will. And I'm so grateful for them. But the draw with instant digital downloadable products is because it's instant. And we all like instant. We like instant coffee. We like instant soda. We like instant microwavable food. We like our products instant. And that is the beauty of digital downloadable products like a book versus a t-shirt. Because then, you're the middleman between the print company and the customer, and you have no control whatsoever of when that person's going to get that t-shirt or coffee mug. And yeah, I love that model, but the profit margin is so tight. And as prices go up, it's going to be even tighter. And I know there's some print-on-demand sellers that are figuring out a workaround, but I really went back to where I started, and that's instant digital downloadable ebooks, printables, and planners. So if you're interested in having a shop like that, click the link and grab this copy while it's only $7, and it goes up every time somebody buys it. It goes up a penny. It's not a lot, but it does add up after a while. So you want to get it at the best price. I'm a bargain shopper from way back, so whenever I can get something for a cheaper price and it's something I really want, I grab it, okay? So I hope that helps you today. Just click the link below this video and you'll see that copy. And right now it's around $7. It just launched today. It's full of information about how you can use AI. And if you're like, AI, what's the AI? Artificial intelligence. There's a free website and it's in that PDF. You can actually go there and it will tell you, it will just completely like filter the internet for you with what you're looking for. And the PDF shows you the most popular things that are selling and some really, really cool niche products by my friend Sue. One of us like a scavenger hunt. One of them is placemats for every holiday. Really, really niche-y stuff. And my links to her products are in there too, plus some of my own. But I think you'll find the information valuable. And again, if you download that product, be sure to email me at the email below this video, and I will send you as a free bonus a digital download that you can resell. Okay, perfect. All right, I gotta go walk. Okay, I hope y'all having a great day. God bless you. Go get that PDF.